we're going to be making one of these in Amazon Echo out of one of these, some small animal. But in reality, we're just going to make this thing, the Amazon Echo, give me cat facts with an Alexa skill. So let's get to it. So what I'm going to use to get the cat facts is a public API, so anyone can call this. You just got to go to catfact.heroku.app.com. Oh, this is the URL for the endpoint, and you can just call /facts. So let me show you an example of that. Oh, I guess it'll show you here. So it'll show you a parameter, an animal type. So its default is cat, so I guess you can get other things. And then amounts of facts to retrieve. So default is 1, limit is 500. So let's try this out in Postman. All right, so here I am in Postman. I got the little URL here. We're going to make a GET request to cat-fact.herokuapp.com/facts. Send. And then boom, you'll get cat facts. This is like, for example, I'll read one. Scottish sailor Alexander Selkirk once survived for 4 years on a desert island thanks to feral cats that protected him from large rats during the night. Isn't that crazy? Too crazy for me. So looking at the API documentation, it looks like I can just find a random one with /facts/random, and there we go. We should get one. The cat's tail is used to maintain balance. They're just like monkeys. All right, so this should be good to use. So we'll put this in our Lambda, and then we'll make a skill out of it real quick. All right, so here we are in the Lambda console, or we're not in the Lambda console yet, but we're in it now. And what we're going to do, we're going to create a whole new function. So let's browse serverless app repository. The first one, Alexa skills, Node.js facts skill. Yeah, it's cat facts. So it's got to be a facts skill. So call this cat facts. I think I need dashes. Cat facts. Deploy. Easy as that. We're done. Pack it up, boys. We're going home. All right, now that we made the Lambda, we can make the Alexa skill on the Alexa developer console. So we're going to create the skill, blah, 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 enter skill name, cat facts. Then choose a model to add to your skill, blah, 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 blah. What do we want to pick? I don't think it really matters. Custom. Yeah, we'll just go with custom for now. Provision your own. Yeah, we're provisioning your own with our Lambda, right? Yeah. So actually, I think I want to go for Alexa hosted Node.js because then it just seems easier, honestly. So let's go through that. All right, we'll go create the fact skill again. Oh, what is this? They have bot detection? That's pretty interesting. I guess Amazon doesn't want people to just like create a million skills. But okay. It'll take a minute to create the, okay, that makes sense. They have to deploy it. Okay, I'll see you in a minute. All right, so finish building, but we need to change the invocation name because it doesn't like that, I guess. So right now it's changed me, but we're gonna call it cat facts. Invocation name requirements, blah, 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 blah. All right, let's do it. Save and then build again. And another 2. All right, now that's built. Let's try to evaluate the model. Type in utterance below to get started. What is my utterance? Cat facts. Submit. Oh, it didn't work. I think we have to add in some stuff. So let me figure that out. All right, so we added a new intent here. We added tell me a cat fact to an intent. So if we type that in here, ideally, it should do something. Tell me a cat fact. Submit. And then boom, new selected intent. Get new fact intent. Works, cool. All right, I made it to the cat facts Lambda. And I figured out where their space facts are. Right here. So what we could do is we could just replace all these space facts with cat facts that I have here. And then I was put like quotations around them. And I feel like that's lazy. So I want to make the API call in the Lambda itself. So let's try that. All right, so we have got a cat fact. So we're making the API call to that thing I showed you earlier with catfact.heroku.app. We're going to fax.random. We're going to wait for that to happen, and we're going to return the text. And from that, or we're gonna make this function call get catfact in here. So we can just replace what it used to be, where we just get it from the text file, and we're just gonna add it to the normal thing here, and that should ideally work. So I was trying to test it, and apparently there's something called cat trivia, where they're gonna ask 3 questions about cats, and this is like a skill that's already out there, by the way. And the biggest wildcat today is a mountain lion, a jaguar, a black panther, Siberian tiger. I have no idea what the answer is. Let's see if I can find out.
The Siberian tiger.
Oh, Siberian tiger wins. Okay.
Question 2.
So I'm starting to realize that catfax alone is not good enough, so we're going to have to name it Supreme Catfax to separate it from the others. Let's build it again. All right, so we want to say, ask Supreme Catfax to give me a cat fact. Let's see, I'll probably give me an error.
There was a problem with the requested skills response.
Okay, there's an error. So let me troubleshoot this. All right, so while I was testing Supreme Catfax, I figured out that there's normal Catfax that has a Catfax Premium where you can charge, or where you can pay to get even more catfax. That's kind of ridiculous if you ask me. So I feel like it's working. I typed Supreme Catfax and it gave me the error, but when I typed Supreme Catfax fact, it gave me an actual cat fact. So let me try to, I wonder if it's just doing this because it's finding some other catfax skill. So let me change the name from Supreme Catfax to Supreme Elephant Fax, and then type fact and see what happens. All right, so we changed it to Supreme Elephant Fax. I tried to distribute, or it gave me an error because I was trying to distribute it, but it didn't work. So, oh well. So we're going to save this, and then we're going to build, and then we'll get back. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Supreme Elephant Fax, a fact. I don't actually know if it has been deployed quick enough, or let me actually check. Oh yeah, full build successful. It says it right here. Okay, let's try it. Drum roll.
This might answer your question. Here's a fact about elephants.
No, it didn't work.
African elephants have 21
Try again.
pairs of...
All right, so important part of building Alexa skills is troubleshooting. And, oh, well, we had the CloudWatch logs there, but I guess my session expired, so I'll be right back again. All right, so back in CloudWatch, we have our logs, and we're seeing that it is saying session ended with reason error. So I'm gonna have to figure out why in the code it's giving me an error. All right, so I guess it's working with the space fax before. So I guess there was something in my code. So let me add. So what I did was, let me go to the code. Is I got rid of, well, I just got rid of the HTTP call for now, and I guess I'll add it back in and see if I'll fix it. All right, I can see immediately one spelling error. So foax/random. I forgot some characters. That should maybe fix some stuff. And I finished. It took like 15 years, but that's because I have a day job. But I have figured out the cat fact dream. Anyway, so I guess, yeah, I guess it took like half a day because I was working. But in the end, I used a promise with Node.js and request and, you know, basic stuff like that. And then we make the call. Once it ends, then we parse the data and then we resolve it. And then this function getCat is going to be called, and we're going to add that with request attributes. And there we go. That's what it is.